الكريم أما بعد فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. With the name of Allah, the most gracious and merciful. Respected teacher, distinguished dear glaciers of Jamia Ashrafia Peshawar, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. On this auspicious occasion, I would like to teach the Prophet Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Respected teacher and dear students, Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam is the Lord of Allah. He was born in Makkah in 571 AD. His father Abdullah had died before he was born. He was brought up by his mother Ami, then was brought by his grandfather Abdul Muttalib, chief of. But when he died, he took to look at him. He looked more than his own children. He left no stone unturned to give him all the facilities. He was named Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and Hazrat Abdul Muttalib, the cause of naming child. Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam replied that one day the whole world will praise his grandson. His hope came true. A few days after birth, the child put under a care of a nurse, Hazrat Halima Sadiya radiyallahu ta'ala anha. She took him to after him. The child luck and happiness to the family of a nurse. She herself was very happy to bring him up. Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam grew into a fine boy. He was very kind, gentle. He was Lord of people. He was in a favor and envious. People called him Sadiq, truthful and honest. From very early life becomes symbol truth and honesty. He was a great example for others. He was really and fame Hazrat Khadija radiyallahu ta'ala anha. Tahira originated of Makkah about his great riches. He asked him to run his business. She was greatly impressed by his fine qualities. She married when he was 25. She proved to be the most faithful and sincere wife. She stood through thick and thin. She 14 at the time of marriage. When the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam 14, the angel Jibreel, the first message of Allah. This is blessed verse. Iqra bismi rabbika alladhi khalaq, khalaqal insana min alaq. He declared when he was a prophet of Allah, he began to preach Islam. And those days the people of Arabia worship idols. They thought that those figures on stone or wood are goods. Many Arab called their daughters as sin is their born. They always fighting among themselves. They used and jumble. There was no love at all. There was no love at all. Islam is the religion of peace. Islam is the religion of peace. The first thing it teaches, which is safety and peace. So the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam passed away when he was 63. When he was 63. So the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam told the people idol, we are not Allah. He asked the people worship and drew Allah their preachers. When the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam started preaching during his many period was fought against the infidels. Son Islam all Arabia. Son Islam overcome the whole Arabia. The Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam passed away when he was 63. His success the lost prophet of Allah. We can success in this world and the world hereafter following teaching. His teaching are not only for one Muslim but also the whole universe. Thank you.